Downloading your account data from TikTok is a straightforward process that allows you to access your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines with the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 4. Select Privacy. From the settings menu, choose Privacy to find options related to your account data. Step 5. Request data download. Scroll down and look for the Download Your Data option. Follow the prompts to request your data. You may need to wait for TikTok to prepare your data, and you will receive a notification once it is ready for download. After completing these steps, you will have successfully requested your TikTok account data. Check back for the notification to download your information.